Hey everyone, for those of you who may not have seen me on this channel before, my name is Nicolette. I am the shop manager, body piercer, and a hand poke tattoo artist at Spiritual Journey Tattoo in Stanton, California. I also apprentice under Matt for piercing, which you see on this channel often. And today I'm just going to be talking about my experience with double flares and sizing up to what I'm at right now. So basically, right now I'm at a 3/4 inch and I'm wearing my favorite pair of plugs that are on ubj.com. They are the Labradorite plugs that are double flare. So when I first got these, I was so excited to put them in. I had sized up to 3/4 inch and my ears were fully healed. They felt really good. And when I got them, I tried to put it in and I was feeling a bit of resistance, and it got to be a little bit too much for my comfort. So I put them down, I put my glass plugs back in, and I waited a couple of weeks, tried again, and these double flares went in super smoothly, no pain, no tension at all, so it was awesome. So I'm just gonna go over really quickly how to put them in and remove them. So I'll go ahead and take it out just so you can see. Basically, this is a double flare plug, okay? So what you see here on the front and the back are the flares, and then this part right here in the middle is the wearable part. And so this is where your earlobe is gonna be sitting, and the flares on the end, on each side are gonna stop it from falling out of your ear. So it's super simple to put in. What you're gonna do is you can lubricate your earlobe with some jojoba oil is usually what I use, just to get it nice and lubricated, and put some on the plug as well. And then what you can do is, I like to pull my earlobe down just a little bit and then sit the bottom of the plug right onto the bottom of your earlobe. And I use my fingers to kind of caress my earlobe around the flare and pop it into place. And you can feel when your earlobe pops into that wearable part. So once it's in there, it's super snug, it fits well, and looks great too, which I love because my favorite plugs are all of the stones. I also love the wood and some of the silicone ones as well, which the double flared ones, they're awesome. They're so comfortable. So I hope that this video helps you at least be able to get them in. I do want to say, like, my experience with being able to fit my double plugs in, you know, I felt that resistance. I waited a little bit and then I was able to get it in, but it's not always that case for everyone. Every body heals differently. Every person has their own experience when it comes to stretching your ears. So just listen to your body, be mindful of that. Don't force it. You know, I never recommend forcing any type of jewelry into your body. For some it can take, you know, a month. For some it can take 2-3 months until you get to that point where you're able to wear double flares, but just make sure that you're healed. Like, that's the best advice that I can give. Make sure that your ears are fully healed, and it was great to see all of you. Have a good one.